I won't waste my time no more. Don't got the patience, I guess it's back to the basics. I can't go back broke, oh no. Got the shit out the mud, we used to serve out the basement. If you ever held me back from getting to them racks, it's cool, cause I'ma get this money, I ain't never looking back. But I can't waste my time.
It's your boy T-Mac, and I'm back with another vlog, and I'm here to update y'all, and this is a good update. We're here at the home site. Brought my mom, my brother, and my kids out here. I'm gonna show y'all around a little bit, alright?
I won't waste my time no more. Don't got the patience, I guess it's back to the basics. I can't go back broke, oh no. Got the shit out the mud, we used to serve out the basement. If you ever held me back from getting to them racks, it's cool, cause I'ma get this money, I ain't never looking back. But I can't waste my time no more, no. Listen, don't lie to me, baby. Listen, you driving me crazy. Man, I knew you were lying when you said you were riding. Girl, I knew from the start that you be breaking my heart, and you never put in your part. When we started, we was down, but we was rocking sincere. Super up in them Aspen cabins, and now we rocking my clear. But I'ma hold you down like I'm supposed to. Why? That's what real niggas gon' do. Yeah, you love me, I was making money. Went broke, you did me dirty. Yeah, it sucked, I passed the ball, but I had the jet, Vinny Testaverde. Look, you can just continue with these wannabes, giving you that old school kick like wallabies. I won't waste my time no more. Don't got the patience, I guess it's back to the basics. I can't go back broke, oh no. Got the shit out the mud, we used to serve out the basement. If you ever held me back from getting to them racks, it's cool, cause I'ma get this money, I ain't never looking back. But I can't waste my time no more, no.
You excited?
I'm excited.
Working with Sonny? I mean, a little pool back here. It's definitely gonna happen. For sure, for sure. For sure, for sure. What's up, gang? Ash, I know your feet cold, bro. Oh man, y'all see it, man. We almost at that mark. They said January, end of January. I believe them now. Cause the way they got this house up in a week, if I showed y'all the timeline of them having this joint up, y'all be amazed too, cause it's crazy, like how fast they got it up. I didn't even know they could move this fast, but they did it. They did it. This guy's birthday was yesterday. The boy Ashton. He turned 7. We gotta upload your stuff. Look at this nut. Yeah, I know. I got your nut. Yeah, I know.
Two times.
2 times?
Yep.
Yeah, y'all did. Y'all got me. Y'all banged me up. I was corny, but it's all good. I ain't gonna sit there and complain. You know? It's your boy T-Mac, and I want to say I appreciate everybody for subscribing, those who have subscribed already, and keeping track of my update on my house. I want to say thanks for watching.
I won't waste my time no more. Don't got the patience, I guess it's back to the basics. I can't go back broke, oh no. Got got the shit out the mud, we used to serve out the basement. If you ever held me back from getting to them racks, it's cool, cause I'ma get this money, I ain't never looking back. But I can't waste my time no more, no. Listen, don't lie to me, baby. Listen, you driving me crazy. Man, I knew you were lying when you said you were riding. Girl, I knew from the start that you be breaking my heart, and you never put in your part. When we started, we was down, but we was rocking sincere. Super up in them Aspen cabins, and now we rocking my clear, but